Adobe Reader. So I'm going to create that PDF document. I'm going to give it another name. This is A, and we'll just say webinar. And I think we put the last one in practice. Yeah, we did. So let's save this one and put it in practice. Double click. And we're going to, we've got the PDF option. You can see that. And apparently we're going to publish it. That seems to be the only option. So here we go. And it automatically opens up. This is Microsoft Edge, and it opens up the PDF document. But I'll prove to you that it's PDF in a second. So let's go back. Creating PDF. So in the practice folder is where we save. So you can see on your Windows machine, desktop, demo stuff, creating PDFs. Now we're in the practice. Double click. We're in that folder. Drag this over. Okay, exported during the webinar. So that's the one we created using the second method, the export method. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to open with Adobe Acrobat. This is the paid version, but you can use the Adobe Reader free version. It's not going to change anything. And so now you can clearly see, you know, that it is a PDF document, okay? And you can see same formatting, right? We haven't lost anything. Looks great. And then, you know, you can just go there, go back down there. You can print it, you can save it, you can print it, and all that good stuff. Same up here. Okay, so let's open up that other version, which is during webinar. That was the first one. That was the save as a PDF. So I'm going to right click, open with, and like I said, I'm using Adobe Acrobat DC, and you would just use Adobe Reader. There are some other free readers out there for PDF documents as well. Alrighty, now let's just say that you bought a PLR, it's in PDF format, and you want to modify it because you've been given permission to put your name on it, private label rights. So you want to put your name on it and re-upload it to your website and use that for your lead magnet. Well, how do you edit a PDF document? Well, I showed you how to, you know how to edit Microsoft Word, right? So after you edit Microsoft Word, you're just going to convert it to PDF and you're done. But if you start with a PDF, you need to convert it to Microsoft Word first, edit it, and then convert it back. And you can do all that within Microsoft Word, and once again, it won't cost you a penny. So let me prove that to you. Now, these are all PDF documents, right? Right. Let's go back here. Okay, so here's an original. Let me open up, or we'll just go with B this time, just to prove to you that I'm opening up a new document. Oops, that's not what I wanted. That doesn't even make any sense. Okay, so let's go back here. We want to convert any one of these. So I'll take this one, and I'm going to open this up in Word. And so this is a PDF document. Let's just take this one. You know, let's take one of them that we did right here. Okay, so you know that's exported during, you know that's a PDF. We just open it up. So here we go. This time we're going to open with Word. Okay, you take the PDF document, you open it in Word, and then you can edit it. Now it can take some time. So if you can, I'm going to read this for people that can't see this clearly. It says, the pop-up says, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. It may be good enough, it may be exactly like it may be close enough. Okay? that's up to you. But like I said, it's free. So you're going to be saving a lot of money by doing it this way. Now, I think we're going to have to wait. I did practice this before the webinar, so we might wait a minute or so until this thing stops spinning, and then I'm going to click OK, and then we'll wait about another minute, and then it will take this PDF document and convert it into an editable Microsoft Word document. Then you edit that, put your name in, put your own links in, and then you convert it back to a PDF document using the two methods I just showed you, which is either save as a PDF in Word or export to PDF. So I'm going to wait here. There we are. Okay, there we are. So I'm going to click OK, and it's probably going to take another minute. So we opened up the PDF in Microsoft Word. Boom. Down there. Look up in the upper right. Looks like things are happening. I think it happened. Look at that. So there it is. It was a PDF. Right up there it says PDF read only. That's what it started out as. But now we can put in, maybe I want to put mini course. Okay. Same thing with text here. You can put WP instead of WordPress, and same for the text down anywhere in the thing. Okay. The truly best way. Okay, so there it is. So, and then once again, we would just save this quick review. You would save as, and then just save it with the PDF format, or you could go back and then just export it right there and use this. Okay, so we're done with that. I'm going to say don't save. Now, the next thing we wanted to cover, let's go back here. We've converted MS Word document to PDF and back again. Okay, how to do it on a Mac. I only have screenshots because I don't have a Mac, but my friend Mike Nichols at awesomewebsitethemes.com, he took some screenshots for me. We'll go over those real quickly. And here we go, screenshots. So I'm going to click here. So if you're on a Mac, you're going to, and you have just about any kind of a document on a Mac. You're going to go to print it, and you're going to get a dialog box. See how it says print right there? And in the dialog box, you're going to have a choice. On the lower left-hand corner, just save as PDF. You have other choices here, but this is the only one we really need for this lesson. You can look at this, pause the video if you want, save as PDF, and that's what you do on a Mac. It's that simple. This was behind here is a Word document. You can't see it. Behind this pop-up screen, there's a Word document called Lectionary Notes, Second Sunday. See, there's some other documents here.